Hi, this is Anita from the Global Trade Gal. As sometimes at the Global Trade Gal, we talk about materials and other things, specifically things which are used in home decor. Today, I want to talk about a material which I actually consider to be one of the great, magnificent wonders of this wonderful world we live in, and that is the material of rattan. Now, I don't know who discovered rattan or discovered that rattan could be used for all the many things that it is, but I'm sure it was many years ago in the jungles of Southeast Asia that this wonderful material was discovered. One of the things that makes it such a great material is just the natural beauty of rattan itself. Rattan is one of those materials that has just warmth to it, and it just speaks nature all the time. It's a great material to use to create products with. It's inviting, it's stylish, it's very much on trend. So today I want to talk a little bit about rattan and why we love rattan so much. Rattan is this climbing palm that is from the tropical regions of Southeast Asia. Unlike bamboo, which is hollow and sort of straight, and bamboo can be quite difficult to work with, rattan has a solid core. So if you ever want to understand the difference between bamboo and rattan, and a lot of times they get confused where people confuse them, but the main difference is that bamboo is hollow. It's it's an extremely strong material. In fact, it's stronger than steel. It's been known to be extremely strong for many centuries. You could years and years ago when I was in Hong Kong and China, scaffolding all the high buildings would be made out of bamboo because it's considered so flexible and strong. You can still see it today on some of the buildings because of just the strength of bamboo itself. Rattan is not the same. Rattan is basically solid. It doesn't have this. It's still a strong material, but doesn't have the same type of strength as a bamboo does. It's solid to the core, but it's known for its strength and its flexibility. So it's really quite a flexible material. It makes it ideal for crafting furniture and various other home decor items. It's grown primarily in countries such as Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Vietnam also has rattan. It thrives in humid tropical climates, reaching up to 100 meters. Harvesting is quite a difficult process. It's often done by hand to ensure the vines are not damaged and then preserve the quality of the material. Vietnam has become a significant player in the rattan industry, due to its skilled artisans, due to the fact that the materials here. It has a long-standing craftsmanship, especially of weaving baskets and other things of high-quality rattan. And we, here at Mindoro, we've a long time been working with rattan, working out with it. And, because we love rattan as a material. Here's 15 reasons why rattan continues to be a popular choice. One is just it's a natural material. It's it's a material that you'll only find out in nature. Of course, there's other things like faux rattan. There's fake rattan, which is made for very much for outdoor, and some of that's really great. We also work with some of that here, at Mindoro, but it's not exactly the same as the real rattan. And of course, the faux rattan is a little easier to weave than the real rattan because of the fact that it's all uniform because it's basically a fake rattan. It's versatile, which, it can be used in a wide range of products, everything from furniture to lighting fixtures to baskets, decorative accessories. It's durable, meaning that it's a lightweight appearance. It's soluble, solid, so it's capable of withstanding lots of heavy type of use. We do some really cute like rattan tables, which can have really thick glass on it. It's a material that you can be multiplies and harvest without causing significant harm to the environment. So it's sort of considered an eco-friendly material. It's fast growing. It doesn't harm the environment when you cut it down. It's not like wood where it could take a long time for a tree to grow back. Rattan will grow back very fast. And so it's considered by many to be an eco-friendly sort of alternative, an eco-friendly material. It has a timeless appeal. Items can remain stylish for years to come. It's really designed with comfort in mind, with the different types of ergonomic shapes that it can be put into, and the soft supportive weaves. That it really is a great and comfortable material. It's lightweight, so it makes it easy to be able to move and rearrange, especially furniture. If you're looking for some type of furniture pieces in a semi covered area, like out on a porch or something like that, it can be a great material to have there. It's breathable, which means that it allows airflow, make an excellent choice for hot or humid climates. That's why traditionally here when places like Vietnam or Philippines or other places where there was colonization going on, that many of the foreigners that were living in these hot and humid climates would have a lot of rattan or even bamboo furniture, but rattan furniture, because of the fact that they were considered to be cooler and they were more breathable than another type of furniture. Make it suitable for indoor and outdoor settings. We recommend that natural rattan is only really used for a semi-outdoor setting, like an area which is covered. You don't want to have it in the direct sunlight. It doesn't require a lot of maintenance, just a lot of dusting, occasionally washing off with a damp cloth. It can be affordable when compared to other materials, such as some metals. Rattan, a lot of times, it's usually more affordable than some of those. It gives a bit of a cultural heritage to a home. There can be a little bit more of a cultural feeling when you have something which is, something like the rattan. It can be an eco-conscious choice that, as we mentioned before. So if you're interested in some rattan, or you'd like to be able to see some rattan production or understand more of how rattan's produced, we'd love to be able to talk to you more about that. We really believe that rattan is a great material to be used, that there's lots of great ways that it could be used. We dye it, we painted it, we've even gold leafed rattan. It's an extremely versatile type of material. That's why I consider that rattan is a really remarkable natural material. It's not only does it have a rich history, but it's also, I believe it has a bright future. There's many different ways that it can be used in many different types and forms of creative ways. That it's got a lot of strength and versatility, along with the eco-friendliness, all sort of wrapped in together, which sort of makes it this excellent choice to be able to be used for those that are seeking something which might be, stylish and yet enduring home decor type of solutions or furniture. We've written a blog about this. If you'd like to be able to read more about it, you can go to our blog, Rattan, Everything You Need to Know for Home Decor. And you can go on to our blog and read a little bit more about rattan, see some rattan products and some other things like that, and just be able to learn a little bit more about this great material of rattan. If you're looking to manufacture some rattan products, we'd love to talk to you, and we'd love to have a conversation with you. Thank you so much for listening to our podcast, and thank you so much for watching our video. We really do appreciate you. Subscribe, become part of our community. We'd really love to hear from you. We know without you, our listeners, this is not possible. So thank you.